What's going everybody? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to show you how to make a subscribe button for your channel. So please stay with me to the end of the video, guys. So I learned a few days ago that if someone is watching one of your videos and they click the subscribe button on their screen, they will be able to subscribe to your channel from that section. So stick with me and let me show you exactly how to make one just like this. I created Meditate and Relax with Key a few days ago, guys, so you could go ahead and check it out if you're looking for content that can help you to relax and meditate. This is a channel for you. I only posted one video so far, but I am sure that you're going to love it. Okay, guys, so I am going to use an application called Snapper to make the subscribe button for the channel. So you just go to Google and type Snapper in your search bar. See it come up there, just click on it and it will take you to Snapper. So you can basically create an account for free. I already have an account, so I am just going to sign in and then we start creating the subscribe button for the channel. So the first thing that you're going to do is to place the custom size for the subscribe button, and that's 150 by 150. Right, that is a requirement by YouTube. Alright, so we already have 150 by 150. Now we're gonna go ahead and create our subscribe button. When you go into Snapper, you'll see a blank section. You can choose a background, right? So you can either use a photo, patterns, or one of your pictures. But today I am going to use a color. And that color that I am going to use is red. So you select your color, guys, from the selections, whichever color you want, but I'm going to use red. As soon as you select your color, you want to select text and then add a heading. That is too big, right? So I am going to reduce it so that you can see what is on the screen. Reduce it to about, I'm going to reduce it to about 22. All right, that's perfect. After I reduce it to about 22, I am going to double click heading text and then write subscribe in the box. After I write subscribe in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and use a different font. I'll select Anthem because it looks nice to me. And then I change the size of the letters because they're looking a little bit small. So I'm gonna let them look a little bit bigger so you can see it better. All right, that's fine. I'm going to change the color of subscribe to white. So just choose white from the options and then you drag it down a little bit to the bottom. After you drag it down to the bottom, then we're going to go ahead and look for a subscribe button, right? So we go over to graphics. Then I'm going to search for a subscribe icon, a YouTube subscribe icon, right? Yes, this black one looks so bad. When I select this one now, as you can see, it is black and I want it to match with the word, right? Subscribe. So I'm going to change it to white. After I change it to white, now I'm going to size it up to ensure that it is matching the box that it's in and to ensure that it looks uniformed as well. That's exactly what I'm doing now, sizing it up so it can match the box and looks, nice. You don't want it too fussy, but you want it to be something that, people can look at and say that, this look really nice. And yes, it's a button that people can click on to subscribe to your channel. Right, so I'm sizing it up right now and ensure that it's lined up properly with the word subscribe, as you can see there. Right, guys, it just takes a little patience, guys, and you will get it right. Just keep trying, size it up how you want it, and after I save it, I'm going to download it to the computer, guys. So you click download, and as soon as it is finished downloading, I am going to save it. I already have a YouTube watermark in my saved options, so I'm going to change the name so that it's not confusing. I'm going to save this one as YouTube Watermarks with a S so it doesn't confuse me if I want to use one of the other ones that I already saved, right? So after I save that to my computer, I am going to go to my channel. Go to your channel. Click your channel and then customize channel. After you select that option, you are going to select branding, right? And then you scroll down and go to video watermark, right? Then you click upload and choose the one that you are going to use, YouTube watermarks. Click open, right? You can also crop it if you want, but I don't think there's a need to crop it if you follow the measurements. Just select done. Now this is where you're going to choose where you want it to be showed. I'm going to choose for the entire video because you want your viewers to see it throughout the entire video, and then you click publish, right? After you click publish, go to your channel to make sure that the button is there, right? So I'm going to select the video that I already uploaded on this channel and then click on it to see if it's there. Right, it's there. See it there, guys. Your viewers can click on it to subscribe to your channel if they have not yet subscribed. As I mentioned earlier, guys, this is my second channel. My main channel is How To with Key, and Meditate and Relaxed with Key is a channel I created a few days ago. So if you've not yet subscribed to any of my channels, please go ahead and hit that beautiful subscribe button and leave a comment down below letting me know that you subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more tutorials like this, guys, just let me know and I will do my best to do them for you. To my day one subscribers, thank you so much for walking this journey with me, guys. I really appreciate you. If you have just subscribed, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for the support. Bless upon yourself until later.